What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the rulers and guides on Wix.com's website editor. So if you're editing your website here, you'll notice there is a bar of stuff at the top here, including tools. If you hover over that and go and check rulers, you will have a ruler appear at the top and right side of your editor. So if I'm trying to center something in the middle of my page, actually let's say on the left side of my page, like about a quarter in, my website's width is 980, so I need to put this at the 245 pixel marker. If I come to the ruler, you'll see a green plus and I can click and add a ruler. You can see if I keep my mouse there hovered over, it'll tell me 240 pixels is where my guideline is at. But like I said, I want that at 245, so I can click and move that over just by dragging and go to 245. Or if I have a lot of pixels, maybe my website's a little wider, or I don't feel like moving it around till I find it, I can just double click on the guide and come over here to the number, click it once and it'll highlight, and I can just type in 245, hit enter, and it'll put my guide there, which is really nice. And then you'll notice if I scroll up on this website, the guide will still be there no matter what at that 245 marker. This is really good if you're trying to center a lot of things on the same line. So say I want a lot of things centered here, you can see this, I can just move, boom, centered on that line, and I can do that with everything. I could also use it as a way to keep things in my page. So say I move this over to about 50 pixels, and I don't want anything to the left of the 50 pixels between 0 and 50. If I come here and add say a free Wix image like this one, add to page, and I want this to the left, I can bring it over and it'll click into place. You can see it turns pink right on that guide, and if I let go, boom, it's right there, and I can keep things from the left, from that 0 to 50 pixel mark, and then add my other content over here, and then I can add another one on this side here by clicking plus, and then you can also add them over here to the right side. You'll notice I added two here, but you can't see the cyan marker going down. But if I just click on it and drag it, you'll see that appear again, like so. And maybe I want this to the top, like that. That's how you use the rulers. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.